Welcome to Alberta, Canada.
Come and enjoy the magnificent scenery, world-class mountain sports, vibrant arts and culture. It is one of the most desirable communities in Canada. With the rise in tourism, the town is now one of the hottest real estate locations in Alberta.
Canmore is a town in Alberta's Rocky Mountains, west of Calgary.
You will enjoy the picturesque mountains of Canmore. Welcome to Canmore.
The mountains of Canmore and Kananaskis are truly spectacular and hold a special place in the hearts of locals and visitors alike, so much so that they have taken on iconic status over the years.
Three sisters are individually known as Big Sister, Middle Sister, and Little Sister of Faith, Hope, and Charity.
This all-suite, lodge-style hotel is a 15-minute walk from downtown Canmore and 26 kilometers from Banff.
Welcome to Lodges at Canmore. It is located 107 Montaigne Road, Canmore, Alberta. The Lodges at Canmore is a family-friendly and mid-range accommodation option, surrounded by the Canadian Rockies. Families will love the year-round heated pool and hot tubs.
Welcome to Lodges at Canmore.
The outdoor swimming pool.
Peter, also known as Petrol. Not Petrol.
The outdoor swimming pool is open from 10 a.m. to 10 p.m.
The what? No, you can't do diving in here.
No, not actually diving. It's like a big dive. Like not.
Let's have a tour on our two-bedroom suite.
There are 20 suites in the second floor. Welcome to our humble abode.
Your
Thank you for watching.